Hey guys, welcome to today's IT tutorial. So today we'll be talking about opening of Microsoft Word and the interfaces of Microsoft Word using Windows 10. So quick one, don't forget, no matter the Windows you're using, the first thing before you can move to any application software on your PC is you come to your start menu. Can you see? You left click on your start menu. So you can make use of two procedures. The first one, you make use of search, or the second one, you scroll down to look for the document following the alphabetical. You can observe them in alphabetical order. Hash means the numerical parts A, B. Don't forget word is W. Or to make it easier, you just come to your search button and you type WORD, word. Then you left click. You see, it's opening. So on the opening, you will say, good evening, blank document. That's what you're working on. You come to blank document or you come to new. I have both. So you just click on blank document. Now can you see? So quick one, we'll be talking about the Microsoft Word in general. The interfaces explaining the features of the Microsoft Word for today so that you can understand the basics. So now your Microsoft Word, we have interfaces. It looks like your normal A4 paper. You see, you observe this is white part. So this is where you type, this is where you operate, you do so many things. This thing is called page. We call it page. That's a working area. And after it, we have your title bar. Can you see this is your title bar? The title bar is where you have the title, that is, and also the software you are using. This is document one, that is this automatic saved text, and this is the document we are using. And after your title bar, you have your menu bar. Can you see? These are your menu bar where you have file. You see file, where you have home, where you have insert, where you have draw, where you have design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, and help. So quick one, anything regarding your text, regarding the arrangement, you come to home tab. All these things we call them tab, insert tab, they are all under your menu bar. Can you see? These are your menu bar. So then after that we have ribbon. When I click on home, you observed I have this thing. Can you see this thing? From here down to this side, you see, you observed those are your ribbons. Let me quickly pick it for you. So I'm coming, okay, so that you can actually know your ribbons. Okay, can you see from this side? Can you see to this side? That is where you have your ribbons. Can you see? So now same thing if I click on inserts. If I click on my insert, that same thing you are seeing, same thing when I click on design, layout, and the likes, we call them your ribbons. We call them your ribbons. So now let me erase it. Let me erase. Okay, let's proceed. Don't worry, let's proceed. So now that is your ribbon. So you observed. So okay, good. Then the next thing, after you've known your ribbon, now your toolbox, these are your toolbox under it. Now let's say under home, I have clipboard, I have fonts, I have paragraph. Don't worry, the next sections we're going to be treating each tabs and we'll be treating how to make use of it. So after that, after your ribbons, the next thing we have is what we call your status bar. Your status bar. This is where your status bar is located. This is your status bar. Can you see this thing you're seeing here? This is your status bar. This here, it is your status bar, and this is where you have can you see the status, the pages you are working on, the words, how many words you've typed, and other things. And also this is where you can actually change different things. We have in book format and the likes. This is where, and this is your zoom page, your zoom tab under your status bar. If you want to zoom this to increase the more, you understand, that is where you have your zoom tab. So now, quick one, another thing we have here is our taskbar. In some videos before now, we discussed about taskbar. So this is your taskbar underneath here. This is your taskbar. It shows the running programs, you understand? So, and also some other things. So this is your taskbar. So, okay, I believe with these few things, you've actually learned something. Another thing you need to understand here before we close for this section is the ruler. We also have a ruler. Ruler is also a part in the features of Microsoft Word. Now, how do you bring in rulers? You see rulers are not here. You click on your view tab. When you click on your view tab, you will see ruler. Then you checked ruler. This is ruler. we have ruler. Can you see? This is your ruler. So this white part means that is the area where you can type. That is the area where you can type. Can you see this white part from here? Okay, I'm coming from here to this part. That is the area where you can type. That is from here to the lower part. That white part is the area where you can type. Can you see? So that is your ruler. So if I'm typing, it will start from this edge. It will start from this edge. It will start from, let me just point something. So if I'm typing, it will start from this side and end here. So my ruler helps you understand the margins. And in margins, we have the upper margins and the left margin. Can you see the upper side and the left side margins? These help you. That is, this is the margins you get. So anytime you are saying, oh, you want to enlarge this, don't worry. When we get to our next sections of videos regarding explaining more practical the layout of a page, you will try to understand more about your. So then another one is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar, this can be configured. It's always around this side. Can you see? This is your quick access toolbar. So on this part, this you can configure this. You click on the arrow beside here. Can you see customize quick access toolbar? That is, you want to bring in things you want on it. You have new, you have open, you have email, you have quick print and the likes. Let's say I want to bring in new. You don't forget new means if you want to bring in new documents. I don't want to bombard you with I don't want to bamboozle you with a lot of words. So when we get to the next video sections, we'll be talking fully about other aspects. You understand? So you can see this is the new I brought in to my quick access toolbar. Can you see? This is your save. You can actually, customize it yourself and bring in things you don't want. So I think that's all about the features of Microsoft Word, about the interfaces you need to know for now. In the next class, we'll be talking about other tools. We'll be making use of the tools, how to type and other, making use of the home, inserts, and other things. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you.